think it's time to go test out that griddle and make some breakfast. Okay, corned beef hash. Oh, it's so frozen. Yeah, it's pretty non-stick. Slid right off. Corned beef and hash egg sandwich. Mmm.
Oh, that is so good.
Tell you what, that little skillet worked really well. Pretty easy to make too. Oh, that was delicious. I wouldn't mind another one of those. Mm. Oh. Tell you, that was a good meal. I'm definitely gonna have to do that one again. But I think it's time to get packed up. I'm gonna try to get home by 12, and I've got a long way to drive to get there. So I think I better not wait for the sun to come up. I'll tell you what, I liked my little griddle. Worked really well. All right. This is a really nice shelter.